In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can quickly find the email address linked to your PlayStation Network account on a PS5. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, remember you can ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But maybe you set up your PlayStation 5 a while ago and you forgot which email you used. Don't worry, that's completely normal. You can actually check it directly from your console. The first thing I recommend doing is just making sure that you're logged into your user profile that you want to check. From that PS5 home screen, now go to the top right and go ahead and navigate into your settings. And from within your settings, you're going to want to scroll down just one option and select users and accounts. And then under that account tab, you're going to want to go ahead and select the very first option, which is going to be that sign in ID option. Select it, and on the next screen, you'll actually be able to see the email that you used to create that account or the email that's just currently linked to your account. For security reasons, your PlayStation 5 might ask you to enter in your account password before it does show the full details, but in my case, it didn't do that. But that's it. You now know which email is connected to your PlayStation 5 account. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And once again, if you did have any questions, ask them down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.